these mountains. There's a village above, there's a village above the clouds. This is not Sweden, this is Azerbaijan. There's a village above, there's a village above the clouds.
Stay with us. This beauty is 2,000 meters above the sky. This beauty you see, Allah painted. Out of 11 climates, 9 are in Azerbaijan. If you want to see paradise, come to Azerbaijan. Just look at these clouds, as if they were cotton fields. This white blanket covering the Kanalig Mountains. There is no civilization here. Here is pure life. There is no credit here. There is no theft.
When you want to breathe, climb these mountains. There's a village above, there's a village above the clouds. This is not Sweden, this is Azerbaijan. There's a village above, there's a village above the clouds. Come on, to Azerbaijan!
You just look at these waterfalls. They are a gift from nature and eternal. They all flow vitally into infinity. There is no greed here and no envious people. In these mountains it seems that you are in a fairy tale world. Although all this is for you, I do not want to hide the truth. As if you are sleeping, but this is reality in life. This is my homeland, Azerbaijan. This is my homeland, Azerbaijan. Come on! When you want to breathe, climb these mountains. There's a village above, there's a village above the clouds. This is not Sweden, this is Azerbaijan. There's a village above, there's a village above the clouds. I climb to the top of these mountains to show this beauty to the world. Now from my camera everyone can see this beauty. I'm here for you so that you can see your soul in a relaxed way. When you want to breathe,